So in denominator I have 10x plus 3. Try to take that as t and get the remaining value. All of you know integration of e power x is e power x. Integration of e power t is e power t. So we have formula. In the formula list you have learned integration of cosecant into cot. Integration of cosecant into cot is minus cosecant x. See my dear students, I am not integrated. I am writing the equal value of cos cube x. Cos cube x can be derived from cos 3 theta. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's session, I am going to discuss one of the important concepts, that is method of substitutions. In first session, I told you become thorough with the formula. In second session, we have done few problems of the exercise. Now we'll go ahead with exercise 20.2. In 20.2, the first problem is 7x minus 3 whole power 4. So now, in order to integrate the problem of the form 7x minus 3 whole power 4 dx, so simple technique is you have to take t as the internal function. Whenever you have component function, put t as internal function and get the remaining part. Remaining part is what? Dx. So we'll do substitution. So put t is equal to internal function. What is internal function? 7x minus 3. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x to get the value of dx. So differentiate both sides with respect to what? X. If you do that, LHS becomes d by dx of t, RHS becomes d by dx of 7x minus d by dx of what? 3. You know derivative of 7x is 7 is constant, take it out. Derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 3 is 0. So it will be 7. dt by dx is 7 and dx we need. So dt is equal to 7 into dx. That implies, so you need only dx. So dt divided by 7 gives you what? Dx. So like that, first get the value of dx. Now you got the value of dx. What is the value of dx? Dx is dt by 7 and 7x minus 3 you take it as t. Now do the substitutions. When you do the substitution in this, you will get the required answer. So now here we will do the substitution. So given problem becomes integration of 7x minus 3 whole power, what they give? 4 dx. You can write it as integration of this, I took it as t power 4 dx. So what is it? See 7x minus 3 I took it as what? T. So in the place of 7x minus 3 I am putting t, power 4 will be as it is, and dx. What is dx? dt by 7. In the place of dx put dt divided by 7. You know 1 by 7 is constant, take it out. If I take 1 by 7 out, I will be left out with integration of t power 4 dt. So what is integration of t power 4? Integration of t power 4 is t power 5 by 5 plus c. So simplify this, it will become t power 5 divided by 7 5 is 35 plus c, and substitute the value of t. What is t? 7x minus 3. So final answer is 7x minus 3 whole power 5 divided by 35 plus c. That's it. So we call this as method of substitution. Method is simple. Here x power 4, it is in x power n form, but in spite of x power n, we have ax plus b, or we have 7x minus 3. Take this internal function 7x minus 3 as t. Then differentiate and get the value of dx. And in the place of this put t, and dx value you will get after differentiation, it will become dt by 7, substitute it. Same technique we can use for next question. 2x plus 5 power 3 by 2. So first let us write integration of 2x plus 5 power 3 by 2 with respect to x means what? Into dx. Directly with respect to x means integrate with respect to x by substitution. All the problems we need to integrate. Integration of 2x plus 5 power 3 by 2 dx. So again put t is equal to, in the place of t assume what? 2x plus 5. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x and get the value of dx. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, d by dx of LHS, LHS is what? T, is equal to d by dx of RHS. D by dx of what is RHS? 2x plus d by dx of 5. That is dt by dx is equal to 2 into, all of you know derivative of x is 1, and dx is equal to 2 ones are 2 into dx. And what is dx? We need dx into 2, bring this side, so it will become dt divided by 2. So like that in every problem get the value of dx. So we assumed 2x plus 5 as t, and we got dx as dt by 2. Substitute these two. So the given problem, integration of 2x plus 5 power what? 3 by 2 with respect to x. With respect to x means into dx. So in order to integrate this, we have done substitution. What is the substitution? In the place of 2x plus 5, take t. Here I have tx plus 5, so I will take it as t. Power 3 by 2 into, we have dx. In the place of dx, what you got? dx ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? dt by 2. So dx ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ dt by 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Substitute dt by 2 and write the integral symbol. All of you know 1 by 2 is constant, take it out. Integration of t power 3 by 2 dt. What is integration of t power 3 by 2? T power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Means it is in the form integration of x power n. All of you know what is integration of x power n dx. Integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula I am using. So now simplify this further. If you simplify this further, finally you will be left out with 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 5. So t power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus c. 2 cancels. So finally t means substitute the value of t. What is t? 2x plus 5. So in the place of t, 2x plus 5 power what we have? 5 by 2 by what? 5 plus c is the answer. So I think understood this. Here observation, internal function. What is the internal function? 2x plus 5. Take this as t. The key step is this. 2x plus 5, we assume it as what? T. And remaining part, what is the remaining part? Dx. So get the value of dx. So after you differentiate both sides and rearrange, you will get dx. What is dx? You will get dt by 2. Now go to the given problem. Integration of 2x plus 5 power 3 by 2 into dx. In the place of dx, substitute the value of dx. What is the value of dx? dt by 2. Here you can see. And in the place of 2x plus 5, in the place of 2x plus 5, substitute. What is 2x plus 5? T power 3 by 2. Go on solving, you will get this. But here the hint of the formula for this problem is this. Standard function. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So now we'll go to the next question. 1 by 10x plus 3. So they want you to integrate. So write the formula, integral symbol, by 1 by 10x plus 3 with respect to x. With respect to x means into dx. In the exercise problem C. So in denominator I have 10x plus 3. Try to take that as t and get the remaining value. So put 10x plus 3 as t. Means in the place of 10x plus 3 you can put 3 or 10 t is equal to 10x plus 3. Differentiate both sides. So dt by dx is equal to dt by d by dx of 10x plus d by dx of 3. Differentiate both sides with respect to what? X. When you do that, LHS becomes dt by dx. RHS is 10 is constant, take it out, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 3 is 0 and dt by dx value you got, dt by dx is 10 and we need the value of dx. So to get the value of dx, rearrange. So 10 into dx is dt, or what is dx? dx is dt divided by 10. Get the value of dx. So now I got dx and we took t, substitute them. So now the given problem becomes integration of 1 divided by 10x plus 3 dx. This is the given question. So this can be written as integration of 1 by denominator 10x plus 3. 10x plus 3 I took it as what? What is 10x plus 3? We assume t. So in the denominator put t. Dx, what is dx? So dx value is dt by 10. So it will become dt divided by 10. So you know 1 by 10 is constant, take it out. Integration of 1 by t dt. What is integration of 1 by t? Log t. So it will become 1 by 10 log t plus what? C. And substitute the value of t. 1 by 10 log what is t? So t is 10x plus 3. So 1 by 10 log 10x plus 3. So final answer is 1 by 10 log of 10x plus 3 plus c, or in numerator you can write log of 10x plus 3 by 10, one and the same. So next here again the key part is what you should substitute. What you should substitute? The denominator 10x plus 3, take it as t and get the value of what? Dx. What is the dx? You will get dt by 3. So substitute them. In the place of dx, put dt by 3. In the place of 10x plus 3, put what? T. And the problem reduces and it is in the form integration of 1 by x dx. All of you know the formula. What is integration of 1 by x dx? Integration of 1 by dx is what? 1 by dx is log base e x plus c. This is the formula we use. Next, e power 3 minus 4x. You know integration of e power x, but they gave 3 minus 4x. Take that 3 minus 4x internal function as t. So the given problem is e power 3 minus 4x. This is problem D in your textbook. So now in the exercise 20.2 problem D, power we have 3 minus 4x. That power you take it as t. Put t is equal to 3 minus 4x. Again get the remaining part. Remaining part is dx. So differentiate both sides. What is dt by dx? Derivative of 3 is 0 minus 4 is constant. Derivative of x is 1. From this get the value of dx. So further simplify. So dt by dx is equal to minus 4 and 4 dx minus 4 dx is equal to dt, or minus dt is equal to what? Minus dt by 4 is equal to what? Dx. So now we got the substitution. So 3 minus 4x we are taking it as t and dx we got dt minus 4 minus dt by 4. Substitute them. If I substitute e power 3 minus 4t 4x into dx can be written as integration of e power t, and what is dx you got? Minus dt by 4. So minus dt by 4 means minus 1 by 4, take it out. Minus 1 by 4, if I take out e power t dt, all of you know integration of e power x is e power x. Integration of e power t is e power t. So it will become minus 1 by 4 e power t plus c. Now in the place of t, substitute the value of t. What is the value of t? 3 minus 4x. So final answer is minus 1 by 4 e power t plus c. In the place of t, substitute the value of c. So value of c is 3 minus 4x. This is the answer. So you multiply, so it will become minus e power 3 minus 4x whole thing by 4 plus c. This is the final answer. So here we observed the power is in the form linear equation. Always linear equation try as what? T. Here again it is in the form 3 power 5x minus 3. 3 power 5x minus 3, it is in the form a power x. So integration of 3 power 5x minus 3 with respect to x. Here power is the internal function. Take that as t and get dx as usual. So put t is equal to what? 5x minus 3. Differentiate both sides. Dt by dx gives you derivative of 5x is 5 is constant, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 3 is 0. From this get dx. So dx value dt is equal to 5 dx, or what is dx? Dx is exactly dt divided by 5. So now you know dx value dt by 5 and 5x minus 3 take it as t. So the given problem becomes integration of 3 power t into dt divided by 5. So 1 by 5 is constant, take it out. Integrate 3 power t dt. So now it is in the form of integration of a power x. So it is in what form? Integration of a power x. Let us recollect the formula. What is the formula? Integration of a power x is dx is what? A power x divided by log base ea plus c. So first you should be thorough with the formula. So the formula what we are using is what? Integration of, the formula we are using is integration of a power x. What is integration of a power x with respect to x? A power x log a plus c. So integration of 3 power t is what? 1 by 5. Integration of 3 power t is 3 power t by log base et. Log base is 3 plus c. Finally, we are left out with 1 by 5 t power 3 power t. T means what? What is t we assumed? 5x minus 3. 3 power 5x minus 3 divided by log 3 plus c. So that will be 1 by 5 into 3 power 5x minus 3 by log 3 plus c is the final answer. Or you can multiply this, it will become 3 power 5x minus 3 by 5 log 3 plus c. So here the key concept is what you should substitute. So what you should substitute as t. So what you should substitute as t? The power. What is the power? 5x minus 3. That you should take it as t. And formula. What is the formula? Integration of a per x. Integration of a per x you have learned. What is integration of a per x? A per x by log a. In the place of a we have 3. So integration of 3 per t becomes 3 per t by log 3 and substitute the value of t. What is the value of t? That you rewrite. So I hope all of you understood this. Now secant square x minus 5. You know integration of secant square x. What is integration of secant square x? Tan x. So in spite of x I have x minus 5. Take that as t. So integration of secant square x minus 5 with respect to x means into dx. What is t? T is x minus 5. Differentiate both sides. So dt by dx becomes what? 1 and get the value of dx. So what is dt? dt is equal to 1 into dx. So now you got both the substitution. So go back to the given problem. What is the given problem? Integration of secant square of x minus 5 dx. So we are assuming integration of secant square in the place of x minus 5 I am taking t, dx is dt. So now integration of secant square t. All of you know integration of secant square t is what? Tan t plus c. Hence the proof. So we got the answer. So what is the substitution? The bracketed term, that is x minus 5. Take this as t and dx and dt becomes same, and integration of secant square t, you know, that is tan t. Again we are done with method of substitution. Observe what if you put as t, the problem reduces. Adana t togolbeku, always we are getting dx value. Next, cosecant of 3 minus 5x, cot of 3 minus 5x. Obvious, put 3 minus 5x internal function as t and the problem reduces. So given problem is cosecant of 3 minus 5x into cot of 3 minus 5x into dx. So put t as 3 minus 5x. Differentiate both sides. So dt by dx. What is dt by dx? 3 is derivative of 3 is 0, 5 into 1. So it will become minus 5. This is the value of dt by dx. You need dx. So further simplify. So dt is equal to minus 5 dx and you need just dx. You need just dx. So dx is equal to what? Minus dt by 5. So substitute this and problem reduces. So given problem, integration of cosecant of 3 minus 5x into cot of 3 minus 5x dx. So what is the substitution? Integration of cosecant of what is 3 minus 5x? 3 minus 5x I am taking it as t. Cot of 3 minus 5x I am taking it as t into dx. Dx can be written as dt minus dt by 5. Now take out minus 1 by 5. So integration of cosecant t cot t dt. It is in the form cosecant x cot x. What is in dt? Sorry. Integration of cosecant x into cot x is what? Minus cosecant x. So minus 1 by 5 into minus cosecant t plus c. Minus into minus becomes plus. So answer is cosecant t positive by 5 plus c. What is t value? 3x minus 5. Cosecant of 3x minus 5 divided by 5 plus c is the answer. So we have formula. In the formula list you have learned integration of cosecant into cot. Integration of cosecant into cot is minus cosecant x. Next. So to solve this problem, what is the basic formula I should know? You should know integration of cosecant x into cot x. What is integration of cosecant x into cot x? Integration of cosecant x into cot x is minus cosecant x plus c. This is the formula you should know. Then only you can solve the problem. So now integration of cos 2x. Just put 2x as t. Take t is equal to 2x. So dt by dx becomes 2 and dt becomes 2 dx or dx becomes 2 dt by 2. So now given problem becomes integration of cos 2x dx can be written as integration of cos t dt by 2. So 1 by 2 is constant, take it out. Integration of cos t. What is integration of cos t? All of you know integration of cos x is sin x. So integration of cos t is sin t plus c. And substitute the value of t. What is t? Integration of sin, what is t? 2x. Half into sin 2x plus 2 or sin 2x by 2 plus c. Then we have cot square 5x plus 3. Cot square we don't have in the formula list, but we know cosecant square. So we can convert this to cosecant square. Before that, first we'll write the problem as integration of cot square 5x plus 3. They want you to integrate with respect to what? Dx. So put t is equal to what? 5x plus 3 Now differentiate it. So if you differentiate dt by dx becomes what? 5, and you need dx, so dx becomes what? dt by 5. Rearranging. So now given problem, integration of cot square, what is given? 5x plus 3 dx can be written as integration of cot square t dx. Instead of dx you can write dt divided by 5. 1 by 5 is constant, take it out. Integration of cot square dt, cot square t dt, that is 1 by 5. You know cot square can be written as cosecant square minus 1. Integration of cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Now integrate each term to get the answer. So it will become 1 by 5 outside, integration of cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Integrate each term. All of you know what is integration of cosecant square, cosecant square t dt. What is integration of cosecant square here? Cot square t can be written as cosecant square t minus 1. Integration of cosecant square t is minus cot t. Integration of 1 is t plus what? C. So substitute, it will become minus 1 by 5 cot t value. What is t? 5x plus 3 minus 5x plus 3 or minus 5x minus c plus c. That's it. Cot square or tan square, you have to convert it. Next we have cos cube x. So to integrate cos cube x, integration of cos cube x dx, we convert it. Cos cube x, we use cos 3 theta. So what is cos 3 theta? Cos 3 theta is 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta. We have chapter called multiple angles. From that 4 cos cube theta becomes 3 cos theta minus cos 3 theta, and I need cos cube theta. Cos cube theta can be written as 3 cos theta minus cos 3 theta divided by whole thing by 4. So given problem, cos cube x can be written as 1 by 4 into 3 cos x minus cos 3x. See my dear students, I am not integrated, I am writing the equal value of cos cube x. Cos cube x can be derived from cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta. Rearrange, you will get cos cube theta as 3 cos theta minus cos 3 theta by 4. So 3 cos theta minus cos 3 theta by 4, I will write 1 by 4 out. Now integrate. So 1 by 4, take it out. So integrate what? 3 cos x dx minus integrate what? Cos 3x dx. So you know 3 is constant, take it out. Integration of cos x is sin x minus integration of cos 3x is sin 3x. Till now I have done substitution. If you take 3x as dx, if you take 3x as t, you will get by 3. See, quotient of x comes as denominator directly, or put t is equal to 3x, dx will become dt by 3. Substitute, you will get the same. Next, 3x plus 4 whole cube plus 5 minus 7x by 3. See, from now onwards, just use your brains and apply this. See, integration of x power n. What is integration of x power n dx? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Similarly, in spite of x, if you have ax plus b, x badlige ax plus b, answer is same. X power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Ax plus b is ax plus b power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Ax plus b power n plus 1 by n plus 1. But the quotient of x, what is quotient of x? A comes out plus c. And suppose if you have integration of cos x, what is integration of cos x? Sin x. So in spite of x, if you have ax plus b, cos of, suppose if you have ax plus b, answer is same. So cos of ax plus b becomes sin of ax plus b by a plus c. So now we will do the same. Integration of 3x plus 4 whole cube plus 5 power 7 minus 3x dx. Now integrate each. So integration of 3x plus 4 whole cube dx plus 5 integration of 5 power 7 minus 3x dx. Now what is integration of this? This gives you 3x plus 4 power 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4, but quotient of x, what is quotient of x? 3 comes out divided by 3. Now a power x, what is integration of a power x? A power x by log a. So like that it will become 5 power 7 minus 3x divided by log a means log 5, but quotient of x, what is quotient of x? Minus 3. Minus 3 comes out plus c. Simplify this further. If you simplify, so final answer is 3x plus 4 power 4 by 4 into 3. 3 4s are 12. Then plus into minus minus 5 power 7 minus 3x divided by log 5 plus c. This is the value. So now we reduce the substitution and directly we can rearrange. So now I've done basic method of substitution. I'll be continuing with some more problems of this in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.